you guys, welcome to this week's breakfast meal prep video. This week is going to be super fun. We're using the waffle maker, but we're not making waffles, we're going to make omelets in the waffle maker. So we're going to make a whole bunch, they'll be ready for the week, and we'll have our meal prep for our breakfast done. We're going to have eggs in the omelets, of course, ham, mushrooms, bell pepper, and some cheese, and it's just like a regular omelet, but we're going to be cooking it in the waffle maker. It's super quick and easy, and they're really fun to make them this way. All right, first we're going to start by dicing up our ham. We'll cut it into small pieces for the omelets. Now we'll cut our bell pepper. You can use any kind you want, red or green, yellow or orange. I'm going to add 12 eggs to our diced ham, our peppers, and our mushrooms. So we'll add all of our eggs. We'll whisk it all together to make our omelet mixture. Now I'm going to add a half a cup of milk, half a cup of cheese, and we'll whisk it together and mix all of the eggs with the ham and the peppers and the mushrooms. Okay, so the waffle maker has heated up. I'm going to spray it. Let's spray it on both the top and the bottom. And I'm going to scoop out our omelet mixture with a measuring cup. I'm going to put it on here. Spread it out a little bit. And then we'll close the waffle maker. All right, so the waffle maker will tell you when it's done. The light will turn green. So we will open it up, and here are our omelet, our waffle maker omelets. So we'll just take it out. They're going to be hot. So I'm going to fold it over like that to help me take it out. And then I'll just scoop it up and put it on a plate. Okay, we're going to keep making the omelet. We'll do another scoop of our omelet mixture. right, and we'll just wait for that green light to tell us that they're done. Omelet is done. So we'll remove it from the waffle maker. All right, so this omelet is done. We'll take it out and let it cool with the other omelets, and then we will package them into our containers so that we have lunch for each day this week. All right, we have our omelets made out of our waffle maker. They're all ready and they're cooled, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in each container for the week for breakfast. So we have our omelets made in our waffle maker. They're all done, and now we have our breakfast ready for the week. So we made the omelets with diced ham, red pepper, and mushroom, and egg, cheese, and milk to make the omelet. Super healthy, and now we're ready to go. We have a great healthy breakfast ready for us for each morning this week. Check the description box for the ingredients, and leave me a comment if you like this fun waffle maker recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe, the button below, so that you don't miss any of my other meal prep ideas. And check out my other videos. I have some other breakfast and lunch videos as well. Check them out, and I will see you all soon. Bye.